Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily go incognito in Google Chrome. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just press Ctrl, Shift and N. So you just press, let me show you, Ctrl plus Shift plus N, right? And when you're gonna press it, you're gonna open incognito window in Google Chrome. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.